Hi, this time we will be unboxing the Insta 360 One X2 camera. We bought this in 3 Pro shop in Kuntong. You also can check their website at www.3pro.com.hk. They have a lot of camera stuff. As you see in my video, they have many different kind of camera, and the staff are friendly and helpful, so it's good to buy in the shop. The other reviewer said this is the best action camera because it has many advantages such as the best stabilization, dual lens 360, and waterproof. And also, the manufacturer claimed this camera can capture every moment from every direction. I really want to open it. Let's open the box. First, we have the camera. And we also have a cable. Soft case and lens cloth, and the staff was help us to install the SD card. And now we have the selfie stick. And there is a battery. We have 2 batteries for spare. To make things easier, so yeah, we bought 2 batteries. And the next we have lens cover and soft case to protect the lens, so it's a good. The last, we have an underwater housing, anti-fog tabs, and soft case. This is useful for like swimming, diving, snorkeling, underwater activities. This is good. I'm so excited to use this camera. Yeah, that's all. See you on next video. I will make review after I use this camera. Thank you for watching.